Good afternoon. Video message for Sam. Hello Sam, thank you ever so much for buying the gorgeous little Danarm 136. So I found the copy of the original owner's manual. So that's really nice to have. They've got some amazing exploded diagrams in there. I got this from another collector a while ago, and so that's really useful to have. And hopefully it's a nice thing as well. I found a baby vintage scabbard for her, so I shall post that as well. So I'll show her running one last time. She was only run yesterday, but she tends to start exactly the same each time. Kill switch, choke, throttle held with the right hand. Sam, I hope you love the saw, and they're such gorgeous items. They're getting so difficult to find in this kind of original paint and with no apparent damage. They're just gorgeous, gorgeous engines. Okay, much appreciated. Hope you love the saw, and I hope we deal again. Bye for now.